In this video, we'll be showing you how to properly use Robert's 3095 high-performance carpet adhesive, a commercial-grade premium carpet adhesive developed for the most demanding carpet installations. 3095 is excellent for direct or double bond installations and covers up to 200 square feet per gallon depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions. We recommend you visit robertsconsolidated.com to view the latest technical data sheet for comprehensive substrate preparation instructions and installation techniques. All substrates must be flat, clean, and free of substances that might inhibit the bond of the adhesive or the performance of the flooring or its installation. All cracks, chips, holes, joints, or high spots in the substrate must be adequately repaired. When installing on a concrete substrate, follow industry-recognized standards for moisture testing to ensure it is dry and within the tolerance of flooring and the adhesive product. 3095 should not be used when moisture vapor emission rate exceeds 10 pounds or when RH of substrate exceeds 90%. With a high solids content for demanding installations, this adhesive offers a fast grab and is excellent for double bond installations. For double glue down installations, use a Roberts pressure-sensitive adhesive such as 7399, 7350, or 6280 to bind pad to the substrate. With preparations in place, let's move on to installation. Prior to, during, and after installation, maintain a consistent temperature between 65 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread the adhesive evenly using a trowel, following the recommended notch size for your specific flooring type. Ensure well-defined and consistent ridges across the substrate for full coverage. You'll have an open time of up to 20 minutes and a working time of up to 40 minutes. Place flooring into the adhesive while the adhesive is still fresh. Periodically lift the corner to ensure 100% coverage of adhesive to the flooring backing and the substrate to ensure a void-free bond. Roll flooring installation per manufacturer's recommendation. After installation, restrict foot traffic and moving of heavy objects for 24 to 48 hours to allow adhesive to cure properly. High temperature and low humidity will cause the adhesive to cure faster, so remember that patience is key as your flooring sets to perfection. If adhesive gets on the top of your flooring, it can be removed using warm soapy water on a clean cloth. For dried adhesive, mineral spirits applied sparingly can be used, but always exercise caution and follow label instructions. Do not pour cleaner directly onto flooring. 3095, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers. For installation questions not covered in this video, please contact our Technical Services Department at 706-277-5294 or visit us online at robertsconsolidated.com.